Everyone, no, I don't like that. So today's lunch is simple as always. Pumpkin chili. That's from Aldi's. It's really good. I've had it before. And brown basmati rice. So, and it's all going to go in my Hot Logic Mini and be ready in about 2 hours. So, the first thing I did was put the pumpkin chili into a glass container, and I'll put the lid on. And then, for the rice, if you saw the one about pasta, you'll see this is very similar. I used pre-cooked rice. You can't actually cook rice in the Hot Logic. It doesn't get to boiling, which is what rice needs in order to cook properly. I've tried it, believe me, it did not go well. You can use minute rice. That does work. It's just the regular whole grain raw rice you can't cook in the Hot Logic, but minute rice you can do. I'll do another video on that sometime. So anyways, I like to get these packets because they don't have to go into a separate container. You just tear the you see the little notch right there? You tear it to vent, like just like it says. The instructions on the back say to, well, you can't see it now because I made it all fuzzy. There we go. The instructions on the back say to tear like a little bit to vent, and that's what I do when I put it in the Hot Logic. Alright, so I'm going to tear that, and then I'm going to set it in the Hot Logic and plug it in to my cigarette lighter, and I'll have lunch in 2 hours. I'll see you then.